Brian, and Mrs. Nicole, who symbolize the light and guidance that is illuminated Mr. and Mrs. Walter's journey. We have the veil sponsors, Mr. and Mrs. Giovanni J. Morales, representing the uniting bond that has tied this couple together for half a century. The court sponsors, Mr. and Mrs. Ronnie Otor, who remind us of the everlasting connection between Edgar and the Bible bearer, Prince Allen Morales, who carries the Word of God, the foundation of their enduring love. The queen bearer, we have Sander Molino, who represents the blessing of prosperity. And finally, the ring bearer, King Aaron Otor, who carries the symbol of their unending love. We have here our groomsmen. We have Rich Bancoitor, Daryl Cohitor, and Carl Cohitor. Let us also not forget our beautiful